Hey guys, Jaron Craig here and welcome back to Cryptology. In today's episode we're going to give you a quick bridging overview to bridge Cirus token from Ethereum to Polygon, as well as give you a guide for farming on DFYN's new cirus-usdc farms. So if you've already bridged your tokens over, you can skip to the next chapter, but starting out we're going to give you a little overview of bridging it. So let's get started. So first we'll give you a little bridging overview for Cirus. So click this little hamburger button in the top left corner, go to Browser, wallet.polygon.technology, scroll down to the Polygon bridge, click that, and now you'll see the Polygon bridge. Make sure it says from Ethereum to Polygon. If not, you can click this little switch button to switch it. Then you click here to select the token you'd like to bridge over. I don't have any Cirus in my Ethereum balance, so I'm going to click this bird money as an example and put in the amount you'd like to transfer. Go down to the transfer button, click that, and you'll see this menu. Click continue. You'll see there's two gas transactions. There's an approval transaction and there's a complete deposit transaction. Click continue again, then continue once again. This is the approval transaction. You'll go through with this. Once this is complete, you'll have the transfer transaction. But yeah, that's pretty much an overview of how you bridge it. If you have any issues, you can click this hamburger button here and check your transactions. And you click on that, you can look on Etherscan and see the TXN numbers. But once it's complete and goes through, you'll want to just switch over to Matic. If you don't know how to do that, I've got a guide for setting up Matic Network on here. And you just go over to your wallet while on Matic Network, scroll down to Cirus, and you'll see your tokens here. If you don't see them here, you can click Add Tokens, paste the Cirus contract address, and it'll pop up. So yeah, that's pretty much an overview of how to bridge it over to Polygon Network. Alright, so now that we have it bridged over, we just go back up to our browser, go to exchange.dfyn.network. This is the home page here. If you don't have any to bridge over, you can always swap some Matic for some on here, or whatever token of your choosing. And next you go over to the pool, click Add Liquidity, put Cirus up here, and USDC down here. Click the amount you'd like to match up. It's always got to be an equal pair. Now approve Cirus. Now that that's complete, you click supply and it will supply and make your LP tokens. Confirm supply, sign it. Once that transaction is complete, you scroll up, go over to farms, and click on Launch Farms. And then you'll see the Cirus USDC pool. Click Deposit. And you'll see the pool rate, the total deposits, some other cool things. Just click Deposit DFYN LP tokens. Put the amount you'd like to deposit. Then approve it. Sign it. Now click deposit. Now the transaction's complete. you'll see that your tokens have popped up here, and you'll start seeing rewards roll in. So yeah, that's pretty much how you do the farm. It's a very high APY farm right now due to low deposits, so you might want to get in while you can, while it's low. So that's pretty much it for the video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a wonderful day.